All right, I'm gonna show you the garage. Boom, plenty of room to walk through. Toolbox, that's what I use for everything. This was covered before I got into that storage cabinet. Just covered in stuff. I wish I would have captured all of that on video as well, just organizing everything, but I didn't. The fridge was pushed out to basically where this line was, so I was able to push all that back. Got my workout set up here. Little cable machine. I reorganized all this stuff over here. This was just cluttered with stuff. All of my wall hangers were just scattered about. I also made this pretty sweet fishing rod holder. Pretty simple, you just drill wide enough holes to fit your fishing rods through, and the fishing rod handle through it, and then just hold them up and out of the way. And then obviously you guys saw this be built. I hung up bike racks, which, man, it makes a huge difference. So they only come out about a couple feet, and this whole area was full of that stuff, plus the bikes came out to like right here. So this just, it helps so much. Just hang the bikes, it's got helmet racks too. My wall lockers, pretty much already full of stuff. This stuff was where I said it was just full of clutter over here. Now it's pretty organized. Super easy to put together. One thing I would say I messed up on, and you probably saw if you watched my other video, it's right here. These cabinets mount level with these, and I didn't do that. These cabinets have holes on the side. I'm going to show you over here. Right here. That look like they're supposed to be for those cabinets. The cabinets even had holes on the inside as well. So I thought it was supposed to be like these mounting to here, that mounts to there, and then everything gets screwed into the wall on a stud. So that's what I did. But in reality, you should just mount this to the wall level with this locker. And same thing on that side. Because like in my other video, I told you I had to cut this to get it to fit in there. When if I would have just mounted this to the wall instead of bolting it to here, it would have been perfect. But you live and you learn. I want to put this somewhere, but I don't think I'm going to put it on here because there's not a lot of room right here to like even clamp stuff down. It can get kind of, you know, you can pull it out so it sticks past this and you can clamp stuff down, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to mount it there. And same thing with this. Not quite sure. I was thinking about mounting it like this. My grinder, but again, I don't necessarily know if I want to lose my table space. Let me know what you guys think. I might just build something, mount those two, and like push off into the corner or something. And a lot of this stuff, those bags and boxes, I need to throw up in the attic. I want to lay down plywood up there, carpet, so that I can just go up there and walk around without having to try and balance on the 2x4s and trusses and stuff like that. I don't even need carpet really, just the plywood. So it'd be easier to walk around and to set stuff down on it. Because right now I'm just kind of balancing stuff across 2x4s, and I don't want to set it on drywall and have it fall through. That'd be crazy. The motion sensor on these lights are not very good at all. I had to like wave my hand under some of them multiple times and even hit it. I had to hit it like 5 times to get it to turn on. So again, don't buy those lights at all. It's probably not worth the money. I'm enjoying making videos, so if you guys want to see more content, Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, whatever you guys need to do. Comment if you want to see me do other videos. I will make a video when I do the plywood up in the attic. There's gonna be other videos like doing light fixtures in my house, and eventually going into the backyard and doing like a backyard setup, fire pit, pergola type thing. But that's all in the future. Obviously, gotta save up money for that type of stuff. Take it easy. Stanley Steamers. That's what I feel like right now.